On our 8th day, we're going to the Samurai Village. It will take around 9 minutes daw. This is our way to the Samurai Village. Lakad-lakad lang talaga kami dito. Ang ganda ng university nila dito, oh. Just 8 minutes walk from our hotel. Eto na yung Samurai Village. This area, marami rin silang cherry blossoms. Conservation area na ito. Very quiet ang lugar, so medyo hihinaan ko lang pagsasalita ako. The flowers here in Japan are so beautiful. This looks like a gumamela, pero parang flower ng rose yung kanyang feel. Lugar, kami pa lang ang nandito. Medyo maulan ngayon, may ambon. Kaya may payong kaming dala. Maliit lang ito, pero it's worth the visit because of its historical value. I'm choosing number 8. I have to read. Nagoya is a slow-paced city. Sabi ng 2016, this is the most boring city daw in Japan, but we don't think so. I don't think so. Slow pacing siya, but it's alright. Marami kaming time maglakad-lakad at magmuni-muni. This is the river. Ang gaganda ng mga flowers nila. Lusog ang mga kalapati dito. They have beautiful parks here. Kahit saan, parang ang dami. And the flowers are amazingly pretty. We've reached Nagoya City Science Museum. Malakas ang ulan. We need to take refuge inside. This is the rocket ship they used before. Ayan, naka-display na siya dyan. Oh, ito na kami. The Science Museum. Because it's a Saturday, maraming tao ngayon. Daming tao ngayon, so we're done here. We're gonna go to
Nagoya TV Tower. Over there.
Marami sila ditong maliliit na coffee shops. Katulad nung ganyan. Ang cute, ang cute. Dito sa loob ng 7-Eleven, select 7-Eleven, may mga ATM. So dito na kami nag-withdraw. Around 220 yen yata yung charge. So okay lang. Syempre na-curious na naman kami kung anong meron sa underground shopping. Mostly bars ata ito. Coffee shop. Sarado pa halos. Sa K area, puro malls. It's our 8th day already here in Nagoya, but it's our first time na magkape sa Starbucks. We're having this limited edition strawberry cheesecake, and we're having the white choco mocha. Siyempre, sharing lang. Di naman namin kaya ubusin yan. Hello, birdies! And there's the Don Quixote. Dahil maulan, walang masyadong gagawin. Ayan ate, oh. Nagpabudol na ako. Bumili na ako ng kamote. Kakainin ko yan. Maulan, oh. Malakas ang ulan. Pero yan na yung TV tower, oh. We're going there. Tara, lakad pa more. Ayun, Gifu area. So, parang natatempa ko ah. One play, 2,000 yen. Ito daw yung mga mapapanalunan. No? Okay na ako sa G-Shock eh. Pwede na sa akin to. Mga mapapanalunan. No? Ayan, no? G-Shock. iPhone 16 Plus, AirPods. Oh, yun yung may mga silbi. Ayan, oh. iPhone 17. Ano, sugal tayo.
Push.
And now we have to open. Ayaw. Oh, no price. Ito na yun. So, no price. Ah, walang price.
2,000 yen.
Okay. This is what I got for 800. Ah, wala na. Yun na yun.
Yeah.
Wala na yung 800. So, ito na yun, Dad.
Yep.
Smart! Pero meron ding marami rin ano. These are the beggars din. Ayan o. Marami rin. Ang daming basura dito oh. This part. Gamit yon ni Tatang. Ayun si Tatang oh. Gamit niya yan. Meron pa rin kahit papaano. Kalat sa Japan. These are the things na yan. Hindi talaga perfect ang bawat bansa. O yan, sila mother dear. Exploring this area while John is busy looking for toys. This is also a temple according to the men there. So it's closing by 15 minutes. So puntahan ko na. John is in the second floor sa mga toys or hobby shop. Di ko alam kung anong meron pero pumunta ako sa 9th floor. Pero ang kagandahan, ayun may nakita ako. May toilet. Toilet. There's a toilet oh. Kaya pupunta na ako dyan. We're back here at Osu District. Dito ay may maraming kung ano-anong mabibili. Toys, vintage clothes, kung ano-ano. So ito naman yung pwede mong gawin everyday. Yung at-home cafe niya ang gusto kong puntahan. Pero mukhang medyo mahal. Ang mga nagsiserve daw dyan ay, ayun no, mga parang naka-maid's uniform. Pero curious ako, gusto kong puntahan yan.
We are here in Nagoya, Yapaton. It's a tonkatsu place.
Oh, we do not know about this place. Meron lang nakapilat lagi mahaba. Nakakailang araw na kami dito. It's our 8th day. Laging mahabang pila. Kahit umuulan yan ha, mapila. After 10 to 15 minutes of waiting, na-sit na rin kami. Maraming tao.
So if you like pork chop. It's tender, it's kind of juicy, and it's a different take.
Did you like or not?
Not so much,
But it's okay.
but it's okay, just for the experience.
Kahit naman ano sa akin masarap. Actually, nasarapan naman ako talaga.